On today's show, Barb and I are going to juice up a pineapple with some orange and lemon. It's going to be delicious. Stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. The first thing in the recipe is to do your pineapple. First of all, they're loaded with nutrients. Pineapples contain disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples have enzymes that can ease in your digestion. They may help reduce the risk of cancer. They boost your immunity and suppress inflammation. They may ease the symptoms of arthritis. They may speed the recovery after surgery. Pineapple juice is good to have after strenuous exercises. I can't say it and I can't do it, but I do know this: pineapples are better than eating donuts. So I need to take the top off the pineapple and try to be straight as I can on the cut, and that's why I use my big knife always. To cut up the pineapple, I use my pineapple tool, and Barb has gloves on where she can hold the pineapple, and you're going to put it right in the center, but one word of advice is to get a measurement on it for where the top is, just like that, so you can see roughly where you want to stop. Okay, take it this way. I think you can roll it a little bit. Every time. Perfect. And for the button, hit the power button, and I think that one says soft. If you'll pull that out, please. Let's cut things up, Barb, so you can turn the juicer on. For the lime, I'm using a sliver. Lime is kind of strong, so that should be plenty. It's juice in itself. There's one more little piece for you. Hand me a bottle if you would, please. Thank you. And let's do the swap out so we catch the drip. Now you can make as much of this as you can drink in a day or two. Keep it in the refrigerator. And different amounts. You can use shot glass, and there's lots of different things you can do with this. Got a glass, Barb? Give it a taste, tell me what you think. You like it? Good. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. That's our show for the day. Goodbye for now.